everyone, welcome back to another Vlogmas. It's currently 6:30. I finished work about an hour and a half ago and I've only been home about 20 minutes. But it's just one of those chaotic weeks. You know, like everyone rants about working a 9 to 5. Working 9 till 5 is crazy, especially when you're traveling to work. My days end up being really long. And this week I'm working a 6-day week and I just feel like the flat is getting on top of us. I feel like we can't keep up with everything we need to do. The dishwasher needs cleaning, I need to descale the kettle, I need to clean the oven. They're all really big jobs. Me and Sam are on alternative shifts, so we're like ships passing in the night, we hardly see each other. And I thought I'd just film an ASMR, no talking, organise, tidy vlog. I'm also gonna prep some bits for the next few days food-wise for work, because I normally prep Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then on a Wednesday I prep for Thursday and Friday just so that the food isn't like old in the fridge. So I'm gonna prep that first, so that's cooking while I crack on with the rest of the cleaning. So once that's in the oven, I'll do the kettle and the dishwasher and then pop anything away that I need to pop away, and then we can do the oven at the end of the night. I hate that job. I'm not doing a full oven clean, I just need to clean parts of it. So let's get into it. Let's get our cleaning heads on and let's go. Bye.